Imagine being high on acid. You have all the free time in the world. You are now relaxed and don't feel any burden or pain in your body. Your two best friends are here now, and they are high on acid too. You all are gossiping about some things that you would have never come up with psychology, meditation, etc. intellectual topics. You all are laughing, your best friend's voice is so mesmerizing. You see psychedelic things appearing randomly around you. You are lost in the moment. The chatting of your friends, the laughing of your friends, and the psychedelic things in the background. Everything is so relaxing, and everything is so calming, and everything is so soothing. You are now as calm as you will ever be. You are living in the moment and you finally feel alive. Welcome to the world of the Midnight Gospel. To be honest, I don't know how to describe this show and I have never seen anything like this before, so I cannot even compare it properly. It is the most unique and peculiar series I have ever come across, and surprisingly, it was very fun. And I did totally recommend you to watch this as a refreshment if you want a break from a certain work or a study schedule. And watching this is like having drugs without using any. Yeah. Seems odd, but yes, it is somehow the way it is.
Whoa. This feels really good.
The theme of the series is cartoon and it is very psychedelic. You will come across cartoon gore many times, but it is okay. But not okay sometimes, but you get it. And there is a lot of dark humor and surrealism. It's just, man, you gotta see. The voice actors have done a very great job and it feels very nice to listen to the characters.
Dude, you're grinding in World of Warcraft.
The Midnight Gospel is an American adult animated web TV series available on Netflix. The main character is Clancy and he is a space caster, and Clancy owns an unlicensed multiverse simulator through which he travels to different worlds and interviews the resident of the respective world he is traveled to. He interviews different people, not people but something like people, like fishbowl face, like some metaphor for something, like metaphor for dead, and many things, and like some meditation master, and that is not the main.
That's how you're gonna talk to customers? I'll just take my ship full of cats and find another junk
The
island.
conversation between them is so relaxing and so soothing and calming. You sometimes feel like you are floating. The interviews are actually derived from the Trussell's podcast, The Duncan Trussell Family Are, and I suggest you to watch the podcast too.
Do you have a planet that has ice cream on it, like an ice cream world or something? Ice cream.
To wrap up, I would like to say The Midnight Gospel is a very unique show and you can complete it in a couple of hours. So yeah, go ahead and finish it already, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.